Hello everyone and welcome to DesignEasy.com. Our mission is to inspire the world to design with Microsoft PowerPoint. You can visit DesignEasy.com to download templates, elements, and watch so many helpful tutorials here. In this video, I'm going to help you to design this poster for your Facebook or your Twitter or Instagram. Okay, so let's get right into it. First, create a PowerPoint file. Right-click on your folder and then click New. Choose Microsoft PowerPoint Presentation. You can name this. So maybe I'm going to name this one Sandwich Corner, which is the name of the shop. So open it up. Next step, I want you to choose the size for your poster. You can go to Design on the top left and then move your cursors to Slide Size. Choose Standard. Maximize. So you can see that the slide size had changed. Now I'm going to Control A to delete everything that I don't need. Okay. For most of you who has your own picture of the product that you made, you can use that, but I don't have it, so I can Google a picture. In this case, I will choose the sandwich and I will right click, copy image, paste it here. Okay. Now you can go to insert and insert a shape. So I'm going to insert a shape like this. You can choose a color. Fill solid color and pick any color. I can choose small colors and choose the color I like. Click OK. Shape outline, I don't want the shape outline, so I click no outline. Reduce the transparency down a little bit, like 10%. And then I'm going to insert again. I will choose a text box and I will type Sandwich Corner. I'm going to choose the bigger font and center my content. I will put my content here, which is the name of my restaurant. For example, I'm going to choose the color for the font and I can change to other font. Make this a little bit smaller. So we have done with the name. Now I want to draw another box, but this time I just click the box here and press Ctrl D to duplicate this one. I will resize the box and I'm put this one here. This time I will go to Format and then I will choose the shape outline white. I will change the dashes to square dot and make the weight bigger. This one. So I'm going to type here, buy one get one for free. You can click on Sandwich Corner and press Ctrl D to duplicate. Make this one smaller and I'm going to type buy one get one for free. Make this one bigger. Okay, so now you can change the color of the text to highlight it. Maybe I would choose yellow color. Yeah, that's cool. And finally, I can type my website, for example. You can press Ctrl and drag your mouse, release it to duplicate the text, and then I wanna type sandwichcorner.com. Change the text to white again. So here we are. Or I can change this to visit us at. Okay. Change this one to yellow. So we're done. What do you think? It's so easy, huh? You don't need to learn any Photoshop. All you need is Microsoft PowerPoint. You have it right on your computer and you can use it anytime, anywhere, really fast. So I will see you next time.